I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the lag to avoid guesswork. Open Settings and confirm your display refresh rate, either 60 Hz or 120 Hz, to match expected frame pacing. Then open Task Manager and watch CPU and GPU usage while you trigger animations. Note if one resource hits high usage near 100% during the animation sequence. Finally, test animations on a second user account or a clean boot to eliminate profile or startup app interference. Next, change Windows visual settings to prioritize responsiveness. Open System Performance options and choose Adjust for best performance, then re-enable only smooth edges of screen fonts and taskbar animations if needed. In Settings, toggle hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and measure the difference. Keep the setting that lowers frame drops. Turn off animations and transparency under Accessibility to reduce compositing work. Finally, set the refresh rate to the highest supported value in display settings for your monitor. Finally, address drivers, power, and background load for lasting improvement. Update your GPU driver from the device manufacturer and consider a clean reinstall if issues persist. Switch Windows power settings to high performance or balanced with maximum processor state at 100% for peak responsiveness. Disable or remove startup apps that consume CPU or GPU during sign-in. Perform a clean boot to confirm third-party software is not causing the lag, and run Windows Update to apply recent system fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.